This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Spectacular in Lake Wellington. Ideal one-story family floor plan offers 2 isolated bedrooms and 3 full baths. Beautiful beamed ceiling in the living room, open concept for entertaining plus gas fireplace. With double islands, the kitchen features generous counter space, huge pantry and gas cooktop. Separate laundry room plus drop zone equals great for families. You will also love the outdoor kitchen, pool/spa and grassy area for kids/pets. Come join this growing neighborhood near schools and only 16 minutes to SAFB. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.